Craving Nate Berkus' cozy modern magic that turns a chilly winter house into your ultimate minimalist sanctuary? What if simple taupe walls, oak floors, and sunlight could weave your family's stories into every room, without the clutter? Let's tour this transformation dream. Step into this foyer where winter sun spills over glowing oak floors. That simple console with its vase feeling like a gentle hug from Nate himself. Soft taupe walls wrap you in cozy minimal calm. Tall ceilings letting light dance freely through black frames. It's your story's warm welcome. Minimalist magic turning entry into sanctuary bliss. Sunlight pours into the living room, kissing low linen sofas that beg for lazy afternoons with a good book. Oak floors ground the taupe glow, while huge windows frame winter's soft hush outside. Nate's touch shines in every clean line and wool throw. Pure cozy modern escape where memories unfold naturally. Curl up in the family room as sunlight bathes plush sectionals and that media nook, oak underfoot feeling so invitingly warm. Taupe walls hug the space softly, big windows pulling in winter's peaceful light for movie nights or chats. Nate Berkus nailed this comfy haven, layering stories into every relaxed corner effortlessly. Picture gathering around the dining table, sunlight glinting off ceramics as oak floors anchor the elegant setup. Taupe walls and lofty ceilings create intimate magic, black frames letting winter light enhance the chandelier's subtle sparkle. Nate's minimalist warmth turns meals into cherished tales, simple yet soulfully sophisticated. Wake to kitchen sunlight flooding the island, oak floors gleaming under sleek cabinets that whisper functionality. Taupe walls soften the space, Vast windows bathing brass pulls in winter glow for easy mornings. Nate Berkus crafted this heart-of-home gem, where prep flows with cozy modern grace and hidden stories. Peek into the butler's pantry where sun highlights shelving gems on oak floors, taupe walls keeping it all serene and organized. Black frames let winter light play over counters and baskets, perfect for quiet prep moments. Nate's clever minimalism shines here, turning utility into a warm, story-ready backdrop seamlessly. Sun-drenched breakfast nook calls with its round table by windows, oak floors warming bare feet in winter light. Taupe walls cradle the cozy spot, high ceilings amplifying morning peace. Nate Berkus designed this sweet pause, where simple chairs invite coffee chats and heartfelt home stories to linger lovingly. Settle at the office desk as sunlight streams over oak floors and shelves, taupe walls fostering focused calm. Tall black frames pull winter's glow inside, illuminating minimal tools for inspired work. Nate's sanctuary vibe makes productivity feel like cozy creativity, weaving your narratives into every thoughtful detail. Drift into the master bedroom where sun kisses the bed's linens on oak floors, taupe walls enveloping you in tranquil hush. Panoramic windows frame winter views, ceilings soaring for dreamy retreat. Nate Berkus perfected this intimate nest, blending minimal lines with warm layers for restful, story-rich nights. Open the closet to sunlight dancing on oak floors amid neat shelving, taupe walls glowing softly through tall frames. Winter light reveals organized bliss with woven touches, high ceilings adding airy luxury. Nate's modern minimal touch transforms storage into serene ritual, holding your life's tales in elegant harmony. Kids' room sunlight warms twin beds on oak floors, taupe walls sparking playful yet calm vibes through big windows. Ceilings lift the space, winter glow softening subtle themes perfectly. Nate Berkus wove cozy minimal magic here, inviting little adventures and family stories within this safe, stylish shell. Guest bedroom welcomes with sunlit queen bed on oak, taupe walls promising restful hospitality in winter light. Black frames and high ceilings enhance neutral comfort, throws adding soft invite. Nate's design hugs visitors gently, turning stays into warm memories with effortless, story-filled elegance. Sink into the media room as sunlight filters over screen and seats on oak floors, taupe walls absorbing sound cozily. Ceilings and frames create immersive nook, winter glow enhancing plush vibes. Nate Berkus blended tech with minimal warmth, crafting escapes where films feel like personal, heartfelt journeys. Lounge on the terrace where sun bathes oak deck and taupe house walls, outdoor seats flowing seamlessly indoors. Winter light kisses planters and table under extended ceilings, black frames uniting all. Nate's vision extends the sanctuary outward, wrapping stories in nature's cozy, modern embrace beautifully. Nate Berkus proves cozy minimalism isn't cold. It's warm oak glow, soft taupe hugs, and sunlight stories that make any home feel like a winter embrace. Steal these timeless touches to craft your own sanctuary, where every corner whispers comfort and connection.